In this video, I will be showing you how to bookmark a website in Google Chrome browser. So let's get started. First thing, just go into the website which you want to bookmark. And here we will be having the star icon. Just click it. And here, make sure that you are giving a name to that. You can edit it and add anything of your choice. And here in the folder, make sure that you are selecting bookmarks bar. Once you have done that, just click on done. And now if you go to a new tab, as you can see, we are having that bookmark over here. So let's say I want to add another website also. I will just do the same, and that will be getting added over here. In case if you want to remove it, just right click. You can just simply click on delete. In case if you want to edit the name, you can click on edit. Here you can edit the name as well as the URL and the place also. That's totally fine. What if you wanted to group them? For that, right click and click on add folder. Just have a name. In this case, I will just have it as demo and click on save. We'll be having a folder. We can simply drag it and drop it here like this. So now click on the folder. We'll be having the links over here. You can even delete it now also. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.